Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to see all of your mentions on TikTok. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up your TikTok profile page. And if you're unsure how to get to this area, select the profile button at the bottom right, and then select the hamburger icon at the top right, left click on it, and select settings and privacy. Now, underneath Content and Display, select Activity Center and select where it says Mention History. Go ahead and left click on that. And then anyone that's mentioned you should be listed in here. And that's pretty much all you have to do. And that's it. So as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.